After successfully creating an invoice with Livegistics, it's time to verify your transactions. You'll find a list of tickets from your selected date range, all neatly organized by supplier right here. Once you confirm that the total price matches what you expect, it's time to print and view the ticket details. Simply click on the print icon located on the right-hand side of the ticket. This step allows you to cross-reference the recorded gate data with your invoice. Ensure that the total tonnage and price you entered for the material aligns with the total price displayed here. Once you've double-checked and everything matches, go ahead and select Confirm. You'll find the green checkmark icon on the left-hand side. This action confirms the accuracy of your invoice. Once you've completed this process for all your tickets, it's time to generate your reconciliation report. And that's it. You've successfully streamlined your invoicing process with Livegistics. For more information and to explore the full range of benefits, visit our website today.